Hello students, in this video we will be learning about a very informative topic. How are mountains formed? Okay, so mountains are very big landscapes on the earth's surface, and I know that you've probably seen one. Okay, so we're going to learn how they begin and how they are made. Okay, so let's just start with the keywords we are going to use in this topic. Okay, so keywords. Okay, so we have the first keyword, which is crust. Okay, second keyword is plates, and these plates are not the plates which you use in your dishes. These are other types of plates, okay, not which we are going to learn in this video. Okay, and then third word, the keyword is movement. Okay, when you move something, it's called a movement. So let's start learning. Okay, now our first division chapter is the Earth's crust. Okay, now I am going to explain you using this image. Okay, so you see that over here, I'm going to take green. Okay, over here there is a landscape. Okay, this is the land part, land. Okay, and then this is the water, which is basically liquid, which we drink and we use. And then we have the undercore. Now the undercore is where it gets hot and where it gets the very hot. When you go deep, there is basically a small sun, basically a very small sun in the middle of the earth. Well, you cannot call it a sun probably, but it's a very heative object, okay, where it's very hot. So you can go as much down as that, okay, and some people say you can dig a hole all the way to China. That is wrong. You cannot do that. Okay, and now in the middle over here, if you see this black place, this is where the crust is located. Now in the crust, what happens is there is the plates. Okay, now these plates, now when these plates move together, like they collide with each other, and then they go up, and that's when an earthquake is also formed. So that's when why earthquakes happen. That is one of the reasons, and that is how a mountain is formed. But I will show you another visual if you didn't understand it. Okay, so when they collide, they go up because they both go up, and then they go up after thousands of years. They form a little hill, and then like after millions of years, it'll be a great standing mountain. Okay, now let me give you a better visualization on that. Okay, now this is the Earth's plates. Okay, now what happens is there is molten lava which is already inside the volcanoes. Then remember I told you about the sun, basically not the sun, the heat core, the core of the earth, which is very hot. Well, from that core, if it sprouts out, and then there's already lava, and then in the volcano from the core, then other lava comes out. That's when it explodes. That's when the volcano explodes, because there's an overload of lava. And now if we can see over here that there are arrows pointing for the collision of plates. Okay, so they go up a little bit, they go up, and after thousands and millions of years, it will become a great mountain. Okay, so you can see how mountains are formed, and this is the core of earth. Okay, now I'm going to show you an image of what it is inside the earth. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, so this is the outer core, which is like in the inside, where in the inside core like that place, okay? And then this is the inner core. So over here no human can survive over here, and this is also not possible for 75% of human beings to survive in this place also. So on the white, if your eyes are good, you can see a white over here. That is the crust, which is the main topic where the mountains are formed, okay? So that is the main part, and this is the mantle where some of the parts happen too. Now another visual we'll just see, okay? Now this visual over here is very detailed, okay? The ones I showed you before, this one is simple and easy to understand, but this one is more detailed, and I'm going to explain that to you, okay? Now there are layers under the earth's surface, okay? So first on the least level is the solid, okay? And then we have liquid over here. It's the liquid where the water goes up, and it's reached a little bit where we can reach it, okay? And then there, after liquid, there's again solids, okay? Let me just make this image, okay? Done. So the solids come over here after the liquid again, and then another solid plastic liquid, okay? So this is a plastic type of liquid which we use, and then we have solids again. Now this is the earth, and then there's water over here. Now same like that, we have 7 layers in the air, okay, in the atmosphere, okay? We have an atmosphere video, you can also check that out if you want to study about the atmosphere. So there's an exosphere where there's no air, there's a thermosphere, there's a mesosphere, and there's a stratosphere. So planes will go in mostly they'll go into stratosphere and mesosphere, okay? And then there's the layers of the earth. First is the crust, where the rocks, and then how the mountains are formed. Then the mantle, where a little bit of the plates are come from. So when a volcano erupts, the earth shakes. That's why it creates a collision, and then it makes a mountain in years to come, okay? So that was it, okay? Now you can subscribe to our channel if you want to support, and if you have any questions, please comment below. We'll reply as fast as possible. And if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. You can learn anything. Jamil out. You can learn anything. Bye.